In 2024, India's farmers are back on the streets, not just for themselves but for millions whose livelihoods depend on the land. This is Farmers' Protest 2.0, a movement that's as much about the soul of agriculture as it is about politics. Let me take you back a few years. In 2020 and 2021, farmers staged a massive protest outside Delhi. Their target: 3 new farm laws that they feared would leave them at the mercy of big corporations. After months of tent cities, highway blockades, and even the storming of the Red Fort, the government finally repealed those laws in late 2021. But the fundamental issues, they never really went away. Now, in 2024, the fight has shifted. The farmers aren't just pushing back against new legislation, they're demanding tangible change. The heart of their plea: a legal guarantee for minimum support price. That's a safety net for selling their crops, meant to keep them from falling into debt or despair. They want more too: debt waivers, fair pensions, withdrawal of criminal cases, and protection against rising costs. This time their protest playbook looks familiar, but even more determined. We're seeing rail roko, blocking trains, along with tractor convoys, mass sit-ins, and hunger strikes. At the Punjab-Haryana borders, crowds of men and women camp out for months in the cold, undeterred by tear gas or water cannons. And it's not just the men driving tractors. Women are right at the forefront, organizing, leading hunger strikes, and making sure protest sites can feed thousands every day. Their resilience has become the movement's backbone. Meanwhile, citizen journalists like Mandeep Punia have risked arrest just to document what mainstream cameras might miss. But here's the thing: this is bigger than India. Across the globe, farmers in places like the US have voiced the same fears, that free market reforms could undermine rural communities. The documentary Deja Vu, Where the Past Meets the Future, draws these parallels, showing that this isn't just an Indian story, it's a global alarm bell. And if you want to see the scale and spirit of the movement, check out Farming the Revolution. This award-winning film shows how hundreds of thousands came together, built cities of hope outside Delhi, and found unity in struggle, even as police cracked down at landmarks like the Red Fort. In the end, India's farmers aren't just fighting for a law, they're holding out for dignity, justice, and a fair future. Their struggle is a reminder: when those who feed us demand to be heard, the world should listen.